I've spent a great week here in the north so far, as we've opened new developments all across your division in the north. And I'm very glad to be here in Korobo Mboma as your community welcomes the tremendous benefits of the Walesi digital television platform. Through terrestrial and satellite networks, the Walesi signal is now available everywhere in Fiji, and we are well on our way to broadcasting free-to-air digital television to every home in the country. This initiative is a major victory for Fiji and a major milestone in my government's mission to give every Fijian, regardless of their socio-economic status or their location, access to more and better information and, of course, entertainment. The Walesi platform has 8 channels, including FBC, FBC2, FBC Plus, Fiji TV, Channel 2, My TV, Hope Channel, and Parliament Channel. And the slate of channels is expected to grow in the future. Kembali, sana laku juga na biar bagi satu memang anda nak gaya lebu tu juga na lebu ni channel, juga na TV go. And you can now follow more of the news and stay up to date on development across the country. You can cheer on our flying Fijians in their matches and all of our athletes competing in different sports around the world. You can watch religious services with your families and can find new ways to see the world and learn about other peoples, nations and cultures. Just as importantly, this Walesi platform also gives you all the opportunity to become more involved and informed citizens. You can now watch our parliamentary channel, see what's happening and make bigger and better contributions to our national discussion, putting your voice and the voice of your communities in the mix like never before. I realize that living outside of our major cities and population centers can make life more difficult. It is the duty of my government to make special efforts to bridge that divide by bringing you the same level of service, infrastructure and access to technology as your fellow Fijians residing on Viti level. And this is what this initiative is all about. Extending Walesi throughout the country was only possible because Fiji and the Fijian economy have been doing so well. In fact, we have grown the Fijian economy every year for the past 8 years, and we've been able to invest that prosperity directly back into the Fijian people. The Walesi platform will also make Korvo and all of Fiji a safer place, as Walesi's technology allows our emergency department to communicate directly with villages wherever they are by displaying critical disaster information on screen. The Walesi the Walesi transmission equipment is also about robust and climate resilient. The set-top box we are switching on today has been provided to your village under the Walesi Village Support Program. And we ask that this be a community development, one that is used by everyone in your village, including women and young people. We are also able to provide households with a total annual income of under $30,000 with free set-top boxes. For anyone who is interested in owning an individual box, personnel from the Ministry of Communications are here today with applications for this program for all those who qualify to apply. I congratulate you on this milestone and encourage you all to use this new development as a tool for self-betterment, learning and becoming more engaged citizens. By doing so, we will continue to open opportunities to our young people and make Fiji a more informed and healthy democracy and empower every Fijian everywhere in the country. Sana nung malaya na nagubosa, sana may tapo chukin na wale sina singili bulikuwa, au tu na chukin na nagubosa ni raw na vital nongo balata na bulo ba ilaw ni nonda matentu sa wal na yambagi na kena tumbu chukin may na bulo ba ilaw ni sa tumbu chukin na bulo ba ilaw na ilaw ya sa ngay bosuka ilustel may bigam ni na linbunwa may bangataki te umay nangon salo na libo na wai nondra bul na ngona nondra bul wal na ngone na nomni pension yo gumni na matua na pension nondra na social welfare na mahua na lok beka na vital nongo go raw nga batni na tubu ko ilabo ni nondra ilabo na matentu bichi na mga bimina tingo na kinaninda ko itep todo ko na vital no ni tubu ni labo mo bikam ni na tingo na bikorokoro ni sa sibe na numni ambaki na ono sa kalima ni sini tarando na ilabo ni FNPF ni siwa FNPF satu na numni social welfare mo ni na tarana na ilabo sa ndun ni sa tarachung ba kana ngongo numni pensioni kenro na bio chinin ro sibe na on sa kalim na ambaki no pula no tararo ya ebina kata metunda be kemni na matantu ni kemni talanga ya ngabana ken tubudake o tumbud na ilabo ni matantu ya yang talanga ngabana matantu na don na no biche na don uno ebina kata me basuka chugani be kemni na tumbud ni ilabo ni na don no ya don na pasala la kam tapa tikina na nango na wali si TV na kabini ko sa kere mesa to susana nanto kana gay do tsuna mo madala to ngay mo madala tsuna norto na bakamana vital nongo okay ini cep bahasa tu cep tu chalo oh, one game, yeah? There's the FPC2. Oh, they will just make it up on the Wallis. On the Wallis. Hey.
And government is back on an $88 million help for homes initiative. But we're providing detailed assessments of particularly the schools and the public.
I wish he could judge me, because he couldn't find it.
Hope channel.
There's another one up there.
So, madal tahu cuma na technician, what do you call it? Disc. Kona disc na bici itu ba? Wata kaya na box ngo. Ngo ko hindi ko kacung na TV. O kaya biyan doon na nona. Pero ni kaya biyan doon na nona bikin ni na juga abung ngo. Ebe turunan raw 5 bulan dola. Wala na channel. Yung sing ni song. Sing ba na sky sa dabeochi. Ang kaya sumba juga 5 bulan dola doon na mula sa ibita.
Every month,
Yeah, every bulan. Every come doon bumana so lele ba alay na doon rom doon na bulan. Satellite.
Yeah, because the terrestrial signal here is good. So wherever the terrestrial signal is good, use the satellite.
Okay. Dua tolu.
Watau may biwa.
Oh, nak.
Betul betul bayu.